Understanding inheritance in OOP.
Inheritance is a key concept in object-oriented programming. It allows you to create new classes that reuse, extend, or modify behaviors from existing classes. This approach makes code more organized and efficient, since you can build on previous work instead of starting from scratch every time.
Parent and child classes explained.
A parent class, also called a base or superclass, provides methods and properties that can be shared. A child class, also known as a subclass, inherits these features from the parent, but can also introduce its own methods or modify inherited ones. This relationship forms a hierarchy between classes.
How inheritance promotes code reuse.
With inheritance, common code resides in the parent class, avoiding duplication. For example, if several animals share basic features, those go in the parent class. Each individual animal's child class then adds or customizes behaviors, making the code easier to maintain and extend.
Extending and overriding parent class behavior.
A child class can extend the parent by adding new features, or override an existing method to change how it works. Overriding lets you customize specific actions while still reusing much of the parent class's logic, which encourages flexibility and cleaner code design.
Benefits and considerations of inheritance.
Inheritance simplifies development, reduces code repetition, and improves organization. However, it's important to design class hierarchies thoughtfully to avoid confusion or complexity. Used properly, inheritance is a powerful tool that lets you build flexible, scalable applications.